Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Imperial, California. The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Imperial County in southeastern California until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Plaster City, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plaster City, Ocotillo, and Coyote Wells. This includes the following highways: California Interstate 8 between mile markers 13 and 22. California Route 98 between mile markers 3 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Imperial, California.